Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to replace or clean this ink absorber unit, or it's called waste ink pad of HP Smart Tank, and you can say printer service station. There are multiple names on internet. I don't know what is the exact name of this part, but what happened with this part sometimes. Okay, first of all I will teach you how it works. When ink carriage with this position, no, with this position, it moves inside the printer. Okay, and when it came onto that part ink carriage, this latch go left. Okay, and this rubber, you can see this rubber, uh, it's appear inside the printer. I will disassemble the printer, will teach you how it works. Okay, when it came out, this rubber and this head got clean like this. Okay, this is the rubber. What happened, what can the issues in this part? Sometimes when it moves on the left side, uh, there are a lot of ink, waste ink, collected here, and it caused the jam. Okay, it's suppose when it's move on the left, and then automatically it should release in that position. Okay, but in some cases what happened, it does not, it came back, it's stuck here in that position. And when the computer printer feed the paper got jam here. Okay, on this rubber, because this rubber should not be here, it should be moved like this on the right side. There can be sometimes it shows E4 error in the printer. Okay, what happened, there are, I'm going to disassemble this, and sometime lot of things on that place and it's got stuck. Okay, and sometimes it's okay, there's no issue with that. The issue can be with this part, and this is the critical part in the printer, hard to remove. What is the position of these parts? We will disassemble this printer and I will teach you. Just stay with me and watch the complete video, and we are going to disassemble this printer carefully. Watch the steps and you can fix your printer at home. Okay, here we go. It can work with the all smart tank printers like HP 515 and HP 580. Remove the screws. Four screws in HP Smart Tank 515 printer, and if 585 or 580, there are four screws in the front and two on the back side. So I already unscrewed this printer. I will remove the scanner unit carefully and remove the cables from here. Scanner cable and power cable. Okay, so here you will see, if I will show you closely, this is the printer service station or ink absorber unit. It works like this, it's moved to the left and automatically goes back. In some cases this part got stuck. Okay, on the left side, or it's moved here but this rubber got stuck. Then what happened, sometimes printer shows, uh, due to this damaged part, printer shows E4 error on the screen, or sometimes it's got paper jam on that, in that area. Okay, so in this video we'll teach how to disassemble this and how to, if you can clean or you can replace with another one. Here we go, these are the steps. We have to remove formatter board first, remove the cables carefully, and again I will mention the same process for HP Smart Tank 580 and 585, 586, 581, 515, 530, 516. Remove the cables and remove the formatter board. Okay, this is the formatter board, and then we have to remove this ink carriage or complete, because we have to disassemble this part. For remove the ink carriage, there are three screws, one at that corner and one screw here. Don't remove these screws. Okay, one screw is here and one screw is here. This one, these two screws, one here and two here, don't remove. No need that screws to be removed. Yeah, so now we will lift from this part, and there is a lock you have to release like this. Okay, and keep it aside. Okay, carefully you can keep it like this. Now remove this encoder sensor. Yes, here we go. One screw is here in that position, and one screw right over there. Look at this here. Okay, before, one thing I forget to tell you, we have to remove from down also this rubber. Just hold on, let me unscrew this. Okay, what to do before you disassemble? First of all, you have to disassemble this part. You can move this from here and move like this. Okay, this was stuck with that hole, as I mentioned earlier. This was stuck uh, downside on with this, so you have to remove it carefully. You can do from down, move by your hand, and then you can pull this out. Okay, till here, what we do, lift this up that we removed earlier, two screws, and we can remove this one with our hand. We can pull out. With this we can remove this one, and the other part that can be stuck here on the downside, you can see if there is a lot of ink here in down of this latch, so it can stuck, and sometimes ink in the spring, sometimes ink down over there. So what to do, remove it from downside and take it out, and you can see if there is a ink like this, if there is a lot of ink here, clean this with the glass cleaner or any liquid you have, and also wash this carefully. This path, this is a path where this latch will move inside it, and also here no need to clean anything, and two things you will clean, that one, and one is here. If there will be ink down over here, you can clean this also, like first of all, pull this out like that. Okay, we pulled it out, and then there's a spring. Remove this spring also. Okay, clean this from the downside, wash it actually with the water or with the glass cleaner, and then after clean everything here and here, then place back again carefully like this. Insert it, and then place back the spring. Okay, like this, and this one will come like that way, and this should move freely like this. If it's getting stuck, clean it well or replace it. If it's getting stuck, if it's working like this, then it means that's one okay. This one will sometime got stuck in down over there. If you already cleaned this, how to return back like this, I'm going to teach you now how to place back everything. Move down this plastic, okay, like this. You should move freely like that. If there is a ink down over there, just clean it well. Okay, clean the spring and everything. It should move like this. Okay, here we go. And this one clean from the downside. Then we will place back again, right? Like just like we disassembled it. We will lift that roller. Here you go. Lift it back carefully and place it. There's a path of these locks, so you have to same like this. Then place back everything as it is. Move it down. Okay, place it back like this carefully, same like you disassembled already, and this has been fixed. Place the two screws here that we just removed, from one from here, second one from here. Then put back this ink carriage, formatter board, and the last one we will fix that one on the downside. So this video is going to be a long. You can fix your printer service station. It's called service station, or it can say ink absorber pad. These are ink absorber pad. You can clean it. You can fix E4 error. You can fix paper jamming or any other issue related to this part. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.